Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I am making Chicken Crispy Kebab, a perfect Ramadan Iftar special, crispy outside, juicy and cheesy inside. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup chicken pieces, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon mix herb, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon onion, and fresh coriander leaves. Add 2 bread slices, 1 tablespoon butter. Mix everything well. Pour the mixture into a blender and blend smooth. Blend mixture smooth but not watery. Transfer to a bowl and mix in 1/4 cup grated mozzarella cheese. Shape into kebabs and insert sticks. Beat 1 egg. Dip each kebab in the egg mixture. Coat with breadcrumbs. Chill mixture briefly if too soft. Coat evenly with breadcrumbs. And fry in medium heated oil for 7 to 8 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Bread helps bind the kebab mixture. Cheese gives soft and creamy texture inside. Lemon juice enhances flavor naturally. Crispy coating locks the juiciness inside. Fry on medium heat for perfect crispiness. Chicken provides protein after fasting. Homemade kebabs use control oil. Fresh herbs add nutrients. Best enjoyed fresh and hot. Serve hot for iftar. Your chicken crispy kebab is golden, crunchy and flavorful. Perfect for your Ramadan iftar table. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Enoven Foods for more Ramadan special recipes.